So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in net space start space WLAN SVC. Click on enter. Make sure that you have the service started. And now you want to type in netsh space WLAN space show space drivers. And then click on enter. In my case, I'm using a virtual machine. That's why I have this error. But in your case, if you see what I'm showing you on screen right now, 802.11 and then the rest, if you see any one of these, it means that your device does support 5 GHz. If it does support it, then for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections, click on it. And then once you're on this, you just want to take a note of your network adapter name. My one's called Intel R Pro, you just want to take a note of your name. Now you want to head over to search again and type in device manager, click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters. And then you want to find that same network adapter. For me, it's going to be Intel R Pro on both of them. Now I know this is the correct one. Now you want to right click on it and then click on properties and then click on advanced. And then once you're on this under property, you're going to be seeing something here that says like 802.11 something, and it should be saying wireless mode next to it. So here in the property is going to be saying like 802.11 wireless mode, something along these lines. You want to click on that, and then once you click on that, in the value, you want to click on the drop down and then set it to 5 GHz. You want to repeat that for every single property that you have that says 802.11 something else. You want to click on it, set the value to 5 GHz. And then once you do that, now in property, you want to scroll down till you see preferred band. You're going to have it on your screen. You want to click on preferred band. Then you want to set the value to prefer 5 GHz. And then click on OK. And now you want to find that same network adapter. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. And then once you do that, you now want to log into your router's admin panel. You want to verify that 5 GHz network is enabled. And then you want to ensure that SSID for 5 GHz is broadcasting. Now once you complete all the steps in the video, you just want to restart your computer, and then you should be good to go.